Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to explain how to recover a deleted funnel in GoHighLevel. Now sometimes you might accidentally delete a funnel, but don't worry, there are steps that you can take to try and get it back. So I'm going to guide you through the whole process and share some tips to help you out. But before we dive into the video, there's something special that I want to share with you. Now normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Now, GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. So first off, let's address the main question. Can you recover a deleted funnel in GoHighLevel? And the answer is sadly, no. Right now, there isn't an option in the system to restore a funnel once it's been deleted. In my example today, I deleted a funnel that I had been working on. Now, when I did that, it completely disappeared from the recent items and the lists. That means if you delete a funnel by mistake, there's no quick or easy way to get it back. However, there are still some options available to help you recover the lost funnel. One option is to contact GoHighLevel support team and explain the situation. They may be able to retrieve your deleted funnel from their backups, but this isn't guaranteed. It also may take some time for them to do so, and you may not be able to access the funnel in the same state as it was before the deletion. Also, many users have said the support team was able to retrieve their lost funnels when they reached out quickly. Now, I haven't gone through the process myself, but I've heard plenty of stories from others who got their work back with the help of the GoHighLevel support staff. Another option is to reach out to any team members or collaborators who may have had access to that funnel. Now, if they still have a copy of the funnel saved on their account, they could potentially share it with you and you can rebuild the funnel from there. Of course, the best solution is to try to prevent accidental deletion of funnels in the first place. It's a good idea to regularly back up your funnels and keep them in a separate folder on your computer or cloud storage. Now this way, even if something happens to your funnel in GoHighLevel, you still have a copy of it that you can refer to. Additionally, it's always a good practice to double check before deleting anything important. Take a moment to confirm that you're actually deleting the right funnel and not one that you may still need in the future. So that's it for this video, guys. Pretty short, sweet, and to the point. I really hope this video helped you out and showed you how to recover deleted funnels in GoHighLevel. Now, if you want to try GoHighLevel, click the link in the description. If you use my affiliate link, you're going to get the 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. On top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, and all of that's going to be free. Just click the link below to get started and to claim your bonuses. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.